Am I the only one who spends 20 minutes in front of a wall full of spray paint trying to pick one color out for some hardware? Let me know. Hey everyone, it's Mike and I'm learning to flip. So I just got back from the hardware store looking at a bunch of spray paint, trying to pick out a color to paint these silver handles. I took these off of a black dresser that I painted black, but I did make the top of the dresser a faux wood finish, so it's got more browns and tans. So I want to paint these so that they go better with the browns and the tans. So I tried going with flat burnished amber, and it's sort of brownish, but when I looked at it and I painted a couple of the handles, it sort of had a little more red tones to it, which I didn't really like. So I picked up a couple of more after 20 minutes. I picked up oil rubbed bronze from Behr and antique brass from Behr. The oil rubbed bronze seems a little dark for me, so I don't think I'm going to try that right away. I think I'm going to try the antique brass and see how that comes out. Let me know which one you think looks better, and let me know what color you like to paint your hardware when you're putting it on black furniture. Thanks a lot, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.